no. No. Yeah. Fish on. Love it. Over for her. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming already. Yeah. No. It's coming. Yeah. Fish on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Woo. Wahoo. Okay guys, shout out sa kay Kachin Cook sa kanyang sa kanyang rod na binili namin ni Stephen kahapon na tournament. Hook up guys. Woo, trolling. Yeah.
Big one. Look at this.
Yeah. Nice catch. Yeah. Very good guys.
This is a very good fish.
Yeah. Kachin Cook, maraming salamat sa rod mo na binigay mo sa amin. Grabe kaganda. At tayo ipinalad at nakahuli tayo ng wahoo. Yan. Yeah, at saka sa ganda na ang kanyang ganda na gamit nating lure na trolling. Okay, sige, balik tayo.
That's good fish.
Video mo lang. Shout out kay Christian Gamla sa yung rod. Ito na yung nangyayari. Wahoo. Good. Dalawa kami.
Nice catch.
Yeah. Thank you man. Yeah. Ito yung huli natin ngayong umaga mga kababayan. Kasama natin si Stephen. Wahoo. Yeah. Good catch.